Hi, my name is Brian Norton with the Data Project at Easterseals Crossroads, and today we're going to be taking a look at Quadtools, the reachers and shears. These are special adaptive devices so that folks with who have quadriplegia can still use a traditional grabber to be able to grab things that they may have dropped or other types of things. So let's go ahead and take a look. And so over here we've got some different types of reachers and grabbers. We've got the traditional one. I wanted to bring this one into this particular tech tip simply because I think it's helpful for us to see how you typically activate a reacher. And so if I hold this up, notice over here I've got a little kind of like I like to call it the trigger. But if I pull back on that trigger, it's activating whatever's on the end of my device to be able to grab or reach for that particular device. And so I'm doing this type of a movement to make that happen. Well, for folks who have quadriplegia, that's a little bit of a difficult type of movement. A lot of times you don't have a lot of great movement in your fingers. You know, you've got maybe some gross motor movement, but maybe not fine motor movement to make that type of an action. And so what Quadtools has done is they've changed the way a reacher can be activated, and it really works great for folks with quadriplegia. And so I'm going to hold up the mini reacher. We've got three things here. We've got the mini reacher, which is a smaller device. We've got the longer reacher or traditional reacher, which is a lot longer. It's going to allow you to pick up things that may have fallen on the ground or those types of things. Then we have over here, this kind of is an interesting one. It kind of looks like a switchblade on the end, but it's actually a pair of scissors. And so you can use it to cut and do some other kinds of things. And so, but they've all activated in almost the very same way. And if I hold this up, what a person would do is they'd put their arm in the device, and then they would be able to then just move their wrist down to be able to grab. I'll kind of turn it to the side so you can see that. You can notice it's grabbing there, and I'm just moving my wrist up and down, so it's allowing me to rely more so on those gross motor movements to be able to activate my device. And so Quadtools is a great company, and they've made some really unique devices to be able to help folks who have quadriplegia better pick up things or reach or grab things in and around their environment. So just wanted to share that with you today. Thanks. Well, that's your tech tip for today. I want to say thank you to the Indiana Telephone Relay Access Corporation for sponsoring our captions today. My name is Brian Norton with the Data Project at Easterseals Crossroads in Indiana.